For the last part of our Cebu travel series, let me give you the review for the hotel I stayed in. Mezzo Hotel. In this video, I will give you some information regarding this hotel. We will gonna have our room tour. We will gonna see their cafe, lobby area, and swimming pool area. So, stay tuned to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I'm here and I'm Leah. First, let's do the check-in. By the way guys, I booked this hotel online through Agoda and it has a good price which includes already breakfast. If you like this kind of travel video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well to keep you updated on my latest video. This is Mezzo Hotel. For tomorrow, I will gonna give you some hotel tour. Meanwhile, let's proceed to my room. Hi guys, this is the room for Mezzo. See, we have two beds over there. So, but I will gonna use only one. So they have remote control here. They have telephone, the notes, channel list. And they have a lampshade there. So they have nice view actually outside. You can see nice view. So maybe in the morning we will gonna see tomorrow. So they have AC. They have a nice work area here. So tomorrow I need to work. I will gonna work here. So I'm not so sure what is this. So something to know about Mezzo. And then some scratch pad. TV. So we have a kettle here for the water. And some coffee. They have tea, sugar. Yeah, all sugar. And then 2 bottles of water, a cup, and then glass. So for early morning. So they provided me the password for Wi-Fi, and they have mini refrigerator here. So we can put something for, and then they have this hair dryer. So they have hair dryer here. So my luggage is here. So maybe I can put the sandals or shoes over there. They have slippers. Okay, so they give me slippers. And I don't know what is this. Okay, you cannot open. So you have one safety box here for the valuable. They have fire extinguisher. They have hangers for the clothes. You want to hang something, some compartment or some cabinet up. And it's nice. See, they have a full body mirror, so you can see me. Hi. So in CR, so let's see the CR. This is the CR. So yeah, they have a nice shower here. So let's, and then they have shampoo, bath gel and soap. So let's see the water pressure. Pretty good. And they have here the toilet seat paper, and here is the mirror. Right? Yeah, they have a big mirror. So the faucet is here. They have a good water pressure. They have glasses here. Then toothbrush, a comb, shower cap, and vanity kit. So they have some lotions, I think, and one soap again. So that's it. That's it for this vlog. So this is the room tour. So, very nice. Bye! Good morning, guys! So, yesterday, nakapag-relax na tayo. For today, let's proceed first to their cafe for our morning breakfast. This is their cafe. It looks nice, clean, and cozy. Oh, may cake din pala sila dito. Wow, yummy! Okay, that's it. I'm full. Tara, pasok na tayo. This is their breakfast buffet for today. Let's see what they have. They have fruits, bread, rice, fried rice, scrambled egg, potato, hot dogs, and fried chicken. They have congee as well. I requested them to make me sunny side up egg. Tara, let's eat! This is their main lobby. They have lobby lounge as well. Now, let's proceed to their gym and swimming pool area. This is one of their function hall. And this is their swimming pool area. Looks so inviting. Magsuswimming tayo later. I like their plants on the wall. It makes the place more natural and lively. Now let's proceed to their gym. Let's see what they have there. Medyo madilim, so let's turn on the lights. So they have a good equipments on their gym. This is the last video of my Cebu travel videos. So I hope you like my Cebu travel series. I will gonna post more of upcoming videos of tourist places here in the Philippines. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's enjoy the swimming pool. Thank you for watching. Bye!